4 here in the third set. Now over to Rina Villamor.
Yes, just as Coach Nene mentioned earlier before the start of this game that they have to exit the season gracefully. This strictly means that they cannot give this ball game in a silver platter for the Sandogo team. Now, 4 things they still need to improve on their timing for them to be able to hit the ball properly. Sense of responsibility comes in second for them. Each of them must be able to show individual efforts and create points for the team. Third is to create more noise inside kasi ang nangyayari wala silang communication sa loob. And lastly, focus because they have nothing to lose. Instead, all learnings and experience for them to gain this season considering 70% of the team are first-timers here in this V-League. Back to you guys.
Actually, that's quite an achievement already as Laborte could not handle that attack from Joy Benito. Pero again, you join the open conference, you bring in the people from your, in this case, your battalion, and then marami kang matututunan, marami kang makikwento. Nung tinalo nga nila Ateneo, ang ganda ng sinabi ng isang member ng audience, makikwento nila sa mga manicurista nila na natalo nila yung AP finalists.
And then a lot of learnings after this tournament. At alam mo yung Navy na yan, again, they would have their own tournament, yung mga against Philippine Army, against the Air Force. So, marami ang bibit-bitin after this tournament, after this conference, going into their, yun talaga yung tournament kasi nila, diba?
Yung import lang naman talaga dito na Philippine Navy is Kite Rosales. Pag naging recruit pa nila si Kite Rosales, hindi na yan import.
And, you know, when you saw the Philippine Army for the first time, iba na yung nilalaro nila dito in their last game. Talagang nag-improve naman sila along the way. And even yung defense nila is now very different.
Right. And you're also looking, of course, bakit napakalakas ng Philippine Navy? Bakit Final Four sila noong nakaraang taon? Kasi syempre, players naman nila, Susain Roses, Nene Bautista, tapos hindi pilay itong si Mikmik Laborte, who's still on the bench right now, tumutulong pa rin dito kay Nene Ibanez, and still wearing the shoulder cast, pero yun, ibang-iba yung lineup nila noon.
That's right, ibang-iba yung lineup nila noon.
10-7, dumidikit na naman itong Philippine Navy. Kite Rosales on the serve. And Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, and that Mikasa dropped in to the side of the Philippine Navy once again, courtesy of Ruby De Leon. 11-7.
Well, so far, Kite Rosales having already 3 block points, and Laborte on the other side, 5 big points.
Wow. And
that's inside.
That's what you call using your coconut that time from Madeline Mirabueno. Rachel De Pasoy down by 3. And Ruby has to attack that time. Muntika na siya makagawa. And Rosales hits into the net.
Well, alam mo, mababa na yung pagkaka-spike doon ni Rosales. No loop at all, so it goes right into the net.
Ito na naman yung timeout ni Nene Ibanez. Time to get amused once again.
Bawi lang agad. Tama na yun, tapos na yun. Bawiin na natin agad. Isang magandang receive Kite. Tapos na yun. Ikaw, patayin mo agad ay. Isang magandang receive, ha? Umatras ka kagad. Yes. Anak!
Navy! Please, Marine Team!
FEU Makati is now offering the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. Kahit si Mikmik Laborte hindi na makahirit kanina eh. Natatawa na rin siya eh.
Ano mo, volleyball 101 Nene Ibanez style.
Right. Mirabueno tried to attack that time. Here's Nene Bautista. Again, very few points for Nene Bautista, not really required to score today as Rhea de Baculangan checks in for Ruby De Leon.
Mga sporadic points, far and in between. But, of course, sa lakas nitong Sandogo, sa dami nang pwedeng mag-produce ng points, pwede naman silang sa ibang araw naman kumana, di ba?
Si Benting parang nangamote dun sa kanyang serve na napalayo.
Nagulat din siya.
Yun.
Too much adrenaline. Or, pwedeng extra rice.
Yun. Hindi naman siguro.
Kung sa'yo. Kung
Ang
sa'yo.
Hoy, at least hindi ako two-piece chick.
Sabi ko na babalik dun eh. Susan, so far with 5 digs and Bautista of Santiago having 4. Sabi ko na.
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Siya ang gusto ko ngayon, yung chicken with mojos. Ha? Kahit na 5 pieces pa yan, paghatian natin, Mosi.
Kaya.
Yan ang masarap, oo. Yan ang masarap ngayon.
Santiago, 38 excellent attack points. Itong maybe having 20.
Pag pumupunta ako, shaky siya parate. Yung favorite
Kailan
pizza
lang
ko.
nandun ako eh.
Oh, yun na nga.
Yung papunta sa airport.
Actually, a few days ago, nangyari na rin yan. Pagkakwentuhan natin Shakey's experience natin after this 16-9, Santiago up big against the Philippine Navy.